Good morning. Today's lesson compare fractions. If we have this picture, the red part is larger than the blue part. For that, 3/4 is greater than 2/3. How we can compare the two fractions? Compare and write is less than, is greater than, or is equal to. To know which fraction is greater than the other, we make cross multiplication. 9 multiplied by 3 and 7 multiplied by 4, and then compare the products. Make cross multiplication and compare between the products. Here 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27 and 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. For that, 28 is more than 27, then 4 over 9 is greater than 3 over 7. Another example, 5 over 8 and 6 over 10. Also make cross multiplication. 10 multiplied by 5 and 8 multiplied by 6. 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50 and 8 multiplied by 6 equals 48. Then 50 is greater than 48. For that, 5 over 8 is greater than 6 over 10. Another example, 3 over 9 and 1 over 3. Make cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by 3 and 9 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9 and 9 multiplied by 1 equals also 9. For that, the two fractions are equal. Now, if you have two mixed numbers. Firstly, if the whole numbers are the same, make cross multiplication for the fraction. 9 multiplied by 2 and 7 multiplied by 4. By this way, 9 multiplied by 2 equals 18 and 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. For that, 4 and 4 over 9 is greater than 4 and 2 over 7. Another example, here also we have two mixed numbers, 7 and 7/8 and 7 and 3/5. Also make cross multiplication. 5 multiplied by 7 and 8 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 7 equals 35. 8 multiplied by 3 equals 24. For that, 35 greater than 24. Then 7 and 7 over 8 is greater than 7 and 3 over 5. Another example, also here we have two mixed numbers, 9.5 and 9 and 4/8. Also make cross multiplication because the two whole numbers are the same. 8 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 4. 8 multiplied by 1 equals 8. 2 multiplied by 4 also equals 8. For that, the two mixed numbers are equal. Now, we have two mixed numbers have different whole numbers. For that, we compare between the whole numbers. Because 9 is more than 5, for that, 9 and 3 over 8 is more than 5 and 5 over 6. Here also we have two mixed numbers, 7 and 1 over 7, 10 and 3 over 11. Also, the two whole numbers are different because 10 is more than 7, then 10 and 3 over 11 is more than 7 and 1 over 7. Another example, also here we have two mixed numbers, 11 and 3 over 8, 13 and 5 over 6. Also, the two whole numbers are different, and because 13 is greater than 11, for that 13 and 5 over 6 is greater than 11 and 3 over 8. That's the end of our lesson. Thanks, guys.